Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable the submit button on Jotform. This is incredibly useful when you want to prevent users from submitting a form until certain conditions are met, like filling out required fields or agreeing to terms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a page displaying all the forms you've created. Now locate the specific form where you want to disable the Submit button. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where you can make all your modifications. At the top of the page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one that says Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your form's behavior and functionality. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on Conditions. Then select Enable/Require/Mask field. This feature allows you to set up conditional logic that controls how different elements of your form behave based on user input. Here's where you customize the condition. In the IF section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the field or condition that needs to be met based on your preferences. For example, you might want to check if a specific field is empty or if a checkbox hasn't been ticked. Next, move to the State section and choose the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. This defines the current state or value you're checking for in your condition. Now, in the DO section, select an action from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll choose Disable. This action tells Jotform what should happen when your condition is met. Finally, in the Field section, choose Submit from the drop-down menu. This targets the Submit button specifically. Once you've configured everything correctly, click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process and save your new settings, and that's it. You've successfully set up a condition that disables the Submit button on your Jotform based on your specific requirements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.